Hi everyone! So unfortunately Arduino beat me this time. I am partly blaming it on the tilt meter that's there. We have our 6 LEDs which are supposed to act as a digital timer. Every 10 minutes it's supposed to light up a new light at the hour. It's supposed to be all lit up. You're supposed to turn it and it turns all off. Unfortunately, this little guy here just doesn't sit in here solid enough to make a connection. The legs on it are just so tiny that they don't fit into the boards. They're not really working, and even when I've left it to sit for 10-20 minutes and switched it around every which way, they're just not long enough to fit into the board. So unfortunately they can't make the connection to make the lights light up. So unfortunately Arduino beat me on this one, but this project was interesting and I wish it could have worked. I looked it up on YouTube and they had a pretty solid example, just this little piece. And I noticed that on the YouTube reviews they said the legs on this were short for them as well. So I think it's a universal thing. They pretty much said you had to solder the legs to get it to be long enough, and I just don't have the tools to do that unfortunately this time around, but it would have been cool if it worked. Lots of troubleshooting this time around. Sometimes you don't always win. Hi everyone, so this project is project number 9 in the book. It is the motorized pinwheel. I have the coding up on our page here, and I have it plugged into my Arduino Uno. We have a 9-volt battery here to help power the motor. We have a switch button to turn it on. We have this different little piece here that helps move the current around. We have the diode to keep it from overpowering the circuit, and we have this for the ground. This wasn't initially working for me, so I'm glad I actually got it to get working. I had to switch out my push button. I don't know if maybe the push button I was using just was broken, but I finally got it to work, which is good. Yay! Very cool. Yes. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. So this is project number 10. I believe it's pronounced Zoetrope or Zoetrope or whatever. There's a lot going on in this project. We have 2 switches, we have 2 resistors, we have the potentiometer, the H-bridge, our 9-volt battery, our motor up there. We got a lot going on. Moving power through the switches, moving power through the potentiometer, on having that extra analog pin over up on this side because that is apparently very important, I have learned. Down over here we just have more wiring, lots and lots of wiring, lots of power. What the goal is, and I have it plugged into the computer, is that when we turn this, it turns up the speed of the motor. Like so. And I'm really proud this one worked because it was very hard earned. But overall, that is how it works. So awesome.